Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to chat on the Janitor AI platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in janitorai.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official Janitor AI website where you will need to log into your account first if you haven't done so already. If you're not logged in, you will find a login button at the top right section instead of create a character. Just log into your account by clicking on it and using your login credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into this home page from which you can immediately start chat with any characters right from the home page by browsing. Just go ahead and look at all the characters that are available and then click on any character that you're interested to chat with. After clicking on a character, you will be shown the details about this character. If you scroll down, you will also find an option to chat with the character that you are just seeing. Simply click on the chat button and now you will be taken into the chat page with this character. You can simply type in any command or chat casually with the character from this window. Just go ahead and type in your message and press the enter button or click on the send button to send your message and chat with the character that you just selected. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to chat with any character on Janitor AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.